43-41 on the second quarter.
Is that Nummy shoe? Nummy, Nummy. Smell your socky, because you have stinky feet. Stinky, stinky feet. Am I filming you while you're trying to poop? Oh, great, I am. Let's see. I'll concentrate on the shoe. Are you pooping? Oh my gosh, I smell it. It stinks. Melody, you stink. Melody, tell the camera what you're doing. You're pooping? Melody. Are you pooping? You are. You're gross. Oh my gosh, you stink. You smell so bad. You're so nasty.